Hello everyone, today I will be assembling the MFJ-1868 Discone antenna. This antenna is going to be used for my SDR receivers in order to cover from 50 megahertz to 1.3 gigahertz. So this antenna also lets you transmit on the AM band along the way of this frequency coverage. And it is perfect for a scanner or for any receiving antenna for those frequency. And this is not too big and also not very expensive. So this is a very good antenna to have if you're a shortwave listener, want to listen to higher bands. I will assemble the antenna on this tripod here in the garage because the weather outside is not very good presently for winter time in Canada, as we have rain, snow, ice and everything. So I don't want to install the antenna outside for now. I will install it in the garage on this tripod. I will also use the coax that I have here are going straight to the shack. So I'm going to use one of the coax to install this antenna and use it from my shack as it is in the garage. So the result will be, you know, what it's going to be because it's only in the garage, but it's better than in the basement. And this antenna comes with all the mounting hardware, okay? And you also have 50 feet of coaxial cable. While I am assembling it, you can watch a clock over here. But from the time I start, you will see it going fast because I will film in fast forward if you want. And you'll be able to see how long it took me to assemble the antenna.
Coupe la tête. On aime ça, nous autres.
Bonsoir à tous. Martin à Sherbrooke. Alors pour ce qui est de ta question, je ne veux pas te la moffrer. J'ai essayé un peu à écouter, mais il n'y a rien nulle part en chef. Y a...
So this concludes this video. I hope you did enjoy as usual. And please stay tuned for the next step of this antenna. We'll be installing it outside. I'm also waiting for some splitter combiner that I will use to split this antenna between multiple SDR receiver. Maybe I will also be able to put this receiver online for you to access like I have with my other HF receiver. So as usual, please subscribe. Please do a like, always appreciated. Thanks for supporting this channel. 73.